And the FTX fallout continues as another firm announces that they have to close their doors. Crypto dominates payments in this part of the world, which means we could see more usage of XRP and XLM. And speaking of XRP, this has not happened to the price of XRP since March of 2015. What is it? We'll stick around and find out. And speaking of XRP, Ripple Labs has a new payment provider for ODL. Let's get into it. Happy Monday, crypto and Web3 fans. I'm glad you found your place for the most recent up-to-date news. XRP sitting at 39.4, up 0.44% last 24 hours. ETH 1693 getting close to 17, and Bitcoin making another run to 25, sitting at 24,870. Galois Hedge Fund shuts operations down after losing funds to FTX. Galois reportedly lost $40 million in FTX. Last November, Galois had $40 million locked in FTX. Even though it took out about half of its assets, this amount wasn't withdrawn before the crisis happened. They had over $400 million worth of funds, and with 10% of it locked up in FTX, well, they have to shut their doors now. Galois co-founder Kevin Zhu is quoted saying, "Given the severity of the FTX situation, we do not think it's tenable to continue operating the fund both financially and culturally. Once again, I'm terribly sorry about the current situation we find ourselves." And that news broke this morning. That's why you hit the subscribe button. And the FTX fallout from mid-November is still happening now. 3 months later, crypto hot potato. And here's that tweet from the Financial Times, because as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Hedge fund Galois shuts down after half of its assets are trapped on FTX. Crypto dominates payment method for remote workers in Latin American payment corridor action. But we also have another acronym, EMEA, all right, and we will get to that soon. But what is the deal with this? This has to do with the program that Stellar was involved in, and that I hope we start seeing used by other crypto companies out there. Basically paying freelance workers in crypto, right? So you don't have to worry about cross-border type action. Recently, I did a promotion for a company based out in the Netherlands. Now, here's the cool thing. I already got paid for them using blockchain technology, and that's what this is about. Remote workers prefer to be paid with crypto in Latin. According to a report from Deal Lab for Global Employment, most remote workers in Latin America prefer to be paid in cryptocurrency, reinforcing the popularity of this payment method among freelancers in the area. The usage for crypto payments, and here's a stat that'll shock you, went up from 61% to 64% during 2022, more than double the usage of these tools in the second region, EMEA, which saw it at 27%. And for those of you that don't know, EMEA is Europe, Middle East, and Africa. So another payment corridor out there where we could see remote workers getting paid using crypto. Like I said, I did a promotion for a company in the Netherlands. I'm based in the United States. I got paid within 6 seconds of them sending the payment, and that's all because of blockchain. So you see some real use case here with blockchain payments in emerging countries. XRP trading volume skyrockets by 111% as this rare chart pattern emerges. So what has happened with XRP for the first time since March of 2015? He noted that XRP has been in a steady downtrend against total cryptocurrencies as it closes its 12th red candlestick day in a row, which was last seen of March of 2015. And here's the tweet from Mr. Huber. New record. Today, XRP closes the 12th red candle in a row against the total of crypto. This has never happened since March 15th. Look at that pattern that we've got involving here. The chart shown indicates a triangle pattern, which involves the price moving into a tighter and tighter range as time goes by and provides a visual display between the battle between the bulls and bears until one side concedes and a breakout happens. You can see it right here. The highs are getting lower and the lows are getting higher. Someone's going to win here sooner or later. But that's not what we're here to talk about. Ripple further expands into UAE. Payments provider will use XRP. So forget the United States because XRP Ripple Labs can go on without it. And today, a new partner seems to have been added by Ripple. Punos Matthew, managing director of Dubai-based Yoya Lucas Exchange, wrote on LinkedIn that he had a meeting with Ripple employees Mark Johnson, William Cooley, and Nick Taplin, the leader in blockchain crypto solutions for enterprises. That's why I brought up this earlier story here about crypto in Latin America, Asia, and European markets. There is definitely a need and use case for payments using blockchain. It was a great discussion on how Ripple could be a great enabler for money transfer entities to scale up affordable cross-border payments, instant settlement, and continuous liquidity access with their on-demand liquidity using the XRP platform. We are excited to collaborate with you, and this announcement was even broke before Ripple Labs could make their official public announcement. So tell me that these people here aren't excited to be working with Ripple Labs and using XRP for ODL usage. So you got FTX fallout continuing, and it's going to take a while to unravel the nasty financial mess that was woven in that horrible situation. And we got people preferred to being paid in crypto using blockchain technology, freelance workers, whether they are in Africa, Latin America, or any other emerging market out there, are heavily leaning towards the use of cryptocurrency payment. Like I told you earlier in the video, I got paid from a company with the Netherlands using blockchain technology, using a stellar product. I got paid in like 6 seconds. Yeah, and it was already transferred to my local fiat. So they were able to off-ramp, on-ramp, off-ramp, on-ramp, get it to me within 6 seconds. Definitely use case for blockchain out there in Web3 tech when it comes to payments. Speaking of payments, you got another ODL partner out there, and I'm super excited because they didn't even wait for Ripple Labs to announce it. They got so excited, they're like, yo, let's put it out now before they even put out their official press release. And the price of XRP, 12 days in a row of red candlesticks compared to the rest of the crypto market. We've talked about it several times here over the last week, how XRP, XLM are not clawing back the way that we've seen from SHIB, Gala, ETH, Doge, Bitcoin, and others out there. So what gives, and will this record be broken? Like I said, you haven't seen this since March of 2015. It's a lot of negative action for XRP, but the positive news with new partnerships, ODL usage, and use case for payments of blockchain and Web3 is something that'll put a smile on anyone's face this Monday morning. Now, to stay in shape, to keep my head straight, I do this right here. That's my second channel. Keeps me going when the crypto world is all crazy and turbulent. Now, until more news breaks, you cool cats, though, have a great rest of your day.